Hi there, and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. Today I want to talk with you about how to play the Top Job Roulette do-it-yourself game. A game about business, roleplay and creative thinking. Now, what do you need to play the Top Job Roulette game? You will need 2 rotation discs and the 2 Top Job Roulette board games, which you can attach to the Mobile School rotation discs. Besides that, you will also need chalk, and then you're ready to play. Now let's have a look how you play the Top Job Roulette game. First, you will need to divide your group of players in 2. So you'll have 2 teams, you'll see team 1 and team 2. One player from each team will come forward and will spin the first disc. Player 1 spins a disc and it lands, for example, on an object over here, and you'll see some books over here. Then the player spins the other disc, second disc below, and you will get another object or topic. Here you can see someone who's thinking creatively. So then you need to combine these 2, and you need to find, as a player, 3 different professions that are linked to these 2 objects. So to books and creative thinking. Now, what are 3 professions that have to do with these 2 choices? For example, a journalist, a professor, and a scientist. So that player needs to reenact those 3 professions towards his or her group. If the group is able to guess all the 3 professions, they get 1 point, and they can draw one, like the head of a person. Then the second group can send the player up front, and he or she can spin the disc again. Now the game ends when you've collected all the different body parts of your person. So in total you have the head, you have the body, you have the legs, and you have the arms. So the first group that can collect all the body parts wins the game. So like with every other game on the Mobile School, there are also multiple variations that you can play with this panel. So instead of enacting all the professions, you can also spin the first disc a second time to determine what you need to do. Because in the background you will see 4 different colors. You'll see the yellowish color over here, which represents drawing. You see the green one, which means make a song or sing a song. You'll see the dark red over here, which means perform, act out something. Or you have a joker over here in blue, which means that you can choose whatever you like. You can draw, you can sing, or you can perform, whatever you prefer. So instead of just spinning the 2 discs once, you spin this disc a second time. For example, it lands on the joker, so I can choose. So maybe instead of acting out my 3 professions, I will draw them on the blackboard. Once again, my team will need to guess the 3 professions. If they guess the answers correctly, they get 1 point and we can continue the game. So you're right now ready to play the Top Job Roulette game on the Mobile School. Have fun, and we hope to see you very soon.